Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts or Google section. Up to you, I prefer this one. Then let's tap on add account and pick Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step you can either create a new account or enter your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.